What's up guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So in this video I will be sharing with you the way I do clean my chain as well as the back wheel. The back wheel, it's also a place that gets a lot of grease from the chain at high speeds. I don't use a lot of chain lube, but that little that you use at high speeds spins to the back wheel. I'm going to show you the way I do. I've been using this method for quite a few years and it works just fine. So at first phase I'm going to be using a pressure washer to get rid of 80% if not more of the dirt and grease from the chain as well as from the back wheel. So pressure washer, a good product to clean the back wheel, to get rid of the brake dust from the back wheel, and a good chain cleaning spray. I use the one from Yamalube, but you can use whatever you want to clean your chain. Of course it has to be a chain cleaning spray. I've been using some other brands, but for me the best one, it's the Yamalube chain clean. So I'll go ahead and show you on the video how I do this. Then we go for the second phase of the video, which is going to be the cleaning of the final grease deposits on the wheel as well as on the chain, and then we're going to lube the chain. Hope you like this video. See you in a couple of minutes. So guys, for the second phase of the cleaning, the chain cleaning, if you don't have air compressor, it's good if you go for a ride, a 10-minute ride or so the chain is completely dry. That's what I just did a couple of minutes ago, because I don't have air compressor, and it's good if the chain is completely dry without water when you use the lube to lubricate your chain. So before we do that, this was going to be the last thing. It's good if you clean the rest of the grease from the wheel and as well as from the chain. So what I use, I've been using this for a couple of years now. I get a plastic bottle and I fill it with half diesel and half gasoline. That doesn't damage the paint on the wheel, because I've been using that for years, and I know that doesn't damage the paint on the wheel, and it's really easy to remove the rest of the grease from the wheel. So you can also use WD-40. This product can be used in many things, so you can also clean the rest of the grease from the wheel with this WD-40. After that, of course you will have to lube your chain, and I use WD-40 to do that. So as you can see, the wheel and the chain are at 80% of cleaning, more or less. So guys, as you can see, the wheel and the chain are completely clean. As you can see, everything really clean. Not that much work involved. So the last thing we are going to do is to lube the chain. To do that, I start the engine, get in first gear, and then I lube the chain with not that much lube, because in the future, in the next cleaning, if you use that much lube, the wheel, it's going to be full with grease, and you don't want that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that helps you to clean your chain as well as the wheel. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and ride safe.